Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Happy Sunday. Today we have curry goat with rice and peas, salad, and some plantains. But you know the drill. Before we go any further, I do want to show you my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you liked my outfit of the day. It's just something that I'm lounging around in the house in today, and we are hungry. We are going to dig in. My husband came from work, so I cooked today, and
Cook.
it looks delicious, right?
Delicious, come on.
Dig in, honey.
Look how long, come on. You never want to give me none of your food.
Whatever.
Looks good though.
As soon as he came home,
It looks so good, my hand trembling.
but as soon as he walked through the door, he was like, "I'm ready to eat." I'm like, "Wait a minute, I'm not hungry yet." He came home a little bit early today. I had breakfast with the kids.
I'm talking business.
Whatever.
Pull up my salad dressing now. What am I eating? 1,000 island. That's so much island you have?
Oh, let me give some water.
Yeah, the cups. Tell me when you stop. You don't want too much, right? You know you don't like too much sauce like me. First lady.
I can't drink no water all day, but I did. How was a goat?
On fleek.
On fleek.
Good, mad man.
That's how you want it to look. Nice and dark. Hope they can see it.
They can see it.
Nice and dark.
Cause I could see it, they must can see it. I don't even know where to start from. I don't know which way to eat from.
That's good.
Make my rounds. Right? I've been waiting for this.
All day.
All day.
And my favorite is curry goat with white rice. But it's Sunday.
I gotta cook though.
We've been eating white rice all
The whole
week.
week.
Yeah. So
Switch up the things, you know?
you gotta switch it up sometimes.
You're good today.
Thank you.
The Queen Chef. King Chef now the day after today.
Is day off?
Took a day off. But you know, I'm back.
You're back on a weekday? So how was work?
Long.
Short.
A long day. What? We're going to this good meal right here. You know, usually we at the table sitting down, you know, but we decided to show the family, you know, what goes in down. You know what I'm saying?
Because a lot of people don't know how to
Someone
make.
like me,
I
you
know.
getting fidgety now,
Fidgety.
confused.
A lot of people don't know how to make curry goat. Or they're afraid of it
They
because
know
it's
how to
goat.
make. They know how to make it.
Or they're
So-
afraid of it because it's goat. So,
So you show them how it's done.
I mean, I can show them now.
Yeah, show them down.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I make curry goat. Hey family, happy Sunday. Today I am making curry goat. And this is the goat. I actually pre-seasoned this. I seasoned this last night. If you can, try to season it the night before or even a couple of days before. But if you can't and you have to season it that day, it's going to still come out great. It's just a little bit better when it's seasoned overnight. So these are the ingredients. I have vegetable oil, and I'll show you what I do with the vegetable oil in a little while. I have curry powder. Right now we're using JCS, that's a Jamaican brand. We normally use Grace, but this was on sale, so we bought it. And we have seasoned salt, we have Everglades, we have adobo, and we have regular salt. And I'm not going to use a lot of salt because a lot of these things have salt already, but I do use a little bit. And I use black pepper. My cut up ingredients, I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, just one. I might add another one after I taste it because we like our goat to be spicy. I have a ginger here that I cut in half, peeled, cut in half, and I used the back of my knife and I smashed it down. We have some thyme, we have some green pepper, and then we also have some onions. I don't like to put tomato in my curry. I don't know why, it does something to it for me. But if you like tomato in your curry, be my guest and add it. And then I do have my pot here, my Dutch pot, and I'm going to show you what I do with the oil because we're going to burn the curry. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I like to burn my curry because it gives a better flavor. Okay? My husband is at work today, so I'm solo on the camera. I hope I'm doing a good job. Okay, family, so what I did was I added some oil to the pot, maybe a couple of tablespoons, and then I'm just going to sprinkle some of the curry in here just until I think it's enough, maybe 3 tablespoons or less, or maybe more. And what you're going to want to do is burn the curry, and you do this because it gives the curry a great flavor, and it just makes the curry nice and dark, and it comes out really delicious, especially for curry goat. So that's what you do. And then when it gets nice and cooked, then you just pour the curry or the goat inside and you mix it up. I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. Alright, family, so like I said, I let it curry burn, and then I put the goat in, and then I'm just mixing it up so it can be evenly coated. And because I'm the only one here right now, well, my kids are sleeping, so I have to hold the camera and stir the goat. So I'm going to stir it up and then let you see how it's supposed to look. Okay, do you see how it looks now? It's curried. It's covered with curry, and that's exactly what you want. You want it to be completely covered with the curry. And then we're going to add some water. And we use the same container that we seasoned the goat.
Husband was at work, Richie was at work, so I had to camera everything myself, do the camera myself, because the kids were still sleeping.
You're good.
On Sundays, when I cook, I normally make breakfast and dinner, especially if it's curry goat or oxtail or stewed peas, stuff that takes 3 hours to make. I start it from early, so that by 12 o'clock I'm done cooking. I can enjoy the rest of my Sunday.
To relax.
Right.
That's right. On point, as always.
Thank you, honey.
Know that.
That dressing is good.
Nice, right? When in Thousand Island, full of island.
I love my blue cheese, but that's very good actually.
That is good though.
That's something you can put on a sandwich.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm just about to say, like the sweet sauce.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that next time. Can I make a sub?
Give me a good idea.
I make a sub?
Yeah. I put on it
That's gonna taste really good. Turkey sub, ham sub.
No. You almost catch me. You see, you almost trick me now. Got you eat me, you almost trick me now. You see? So you go on.
You so fast, you said,
Got the food nice, man.
Whatever.
See me focus on the food. She almost catch me, family. This is good.
Come on, really good.
Like always.
So what are you guys cooking for Sunday dinner? Or what have you guys cooked? Because by the time we post this video, it's like it's late in the evening, so pretty sure Sunday dinner people already ate.
Done. Oh. Yeah, we got some gravy on the side. Almost forgot.
Extra gravy. I had put a lot of gravy on mine. Already.
You don't need it.
Not right now. Thank you though.
This is so good. I gotta take my time.
And that's what you want. You want the goat or the curry to be dark. You know?
This is good. And some water.
That's why when I watch other mukbangers, I don't really, if I see them eating something that I've never eaten before,
Yeah.
I don't really say any like
Beer check. 1, 2.
like I don't, you know, some people are like, ew, it's disgusting. It may be something that I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can eat that, but I wouldn't call it disgusting because a lot of people don't eat goat
Exactly.
or chicken foot
It's true.
or tripe.
Everybody different. So you can't say, oh, that's nasty because we never tried it. Or you don't want to have nobody food down.
Exactly, because you wouldn't want them saying our food is nasty or disgusting because we're eating goat.
Yeah.
But
Everybody different, you know?
everybody has their own culture.
Until you try it. We got a surprise for them.
Huh.
Keep your mouth shut. You love chat. Alright.
Whatever.
Surprise.
It's gonna be a surprise on Wednesday.
Wow.
We have something epic
Epic.
that we're gonna eat. It's gonna be my
Epic.
first time trying it.
My
My
first time
husband's
too.
first time trying it. First time cooking it. First time getting it.
First time getting it.
I want for first time, you know?
No, first time.
You
But remember
prepared?
the first time.
Whatever.
Even more shut now. It's gonna be a epic video, huh? Going down. Oh, wow.
Spilling.
Yeah, man. Everything right. Rice on me, nice, no? Come like the restaurant, man. Nice for free.
My mother loves to cook for him because she would sit there and watch him eat because she's like, wow, you just be, the way you eat, you can tell you enjoy the food.
I enjoy it, yes. Yum.
Yep,
I enjoy it.
you definitely can yum. I'm glad you know yourself.
I enjoy every bit of it.
Did you need more pepper?
Well, you know me, I always got to put more pepper.
I know. And if it's spicy. Oh, shit. You ain't put pepper when I made those 5 jerk wings.
Oh no. Oh my god, family. One time, I'm gonna tell you a business though.
Well, I already told my story
Oh,
already.
you told already?
A long time ago,
Oh.
see?
Oh,
I think I did.
I don't think you did.
I don't think I did.
You didn't want to kill me off. Or you just meet me.
Did something happen to that video?
I think so.
I think so.
Oh my gosh, oh my god. You almost killed me off, you know? With 5 wings, you know? That's crazy.
He told me he wanted some jerk wings. And I was like 21 years old at the time.
And now you're still 21.
Stop.
Uh-oh. Don't do
Stop.
that. Don't do that.
So I made some wings, but because it was only him and I, well, our son was there too, but he was like 2. And I didn't want to make, he's 2, he can't eat stuff that's spicy, right?
Yeah.
So I made the wings, and I just got maybe 6. And I used a whole container like this size of jerk seasoning on the 5
It was
wings.
the same size for real. Real.
On the 5 wings.
5 wings to hell.
Because I was new to cooking. I can cook at that time, but I was still learning certain things like jerk chicken, stew peas. And as I made it,
You nearly killed me off.
ooh, excuse me. As I got better and better, I perfected it. But back then, I didn't know what I was doing. I was like he was like, what?
5 wings with a whole bottle of jerk sauce.
That is hot.
And you know what? I still eat it.
He ate it. He didn't want to hurt my feelings. He ate that sucker.
Tore it up.
Every second drinking water, he's like, yo, this is hot.
I tore it up.
I was like, but I wanted it spicy. He was like, no, I kill me. You want to try to kill me?
Yeah, kill me if you need to put so much money. Murder you want murder them for the first time I know you. Yeah. I'm trying to take my time, but it's moving. I don't want it to move, enough. And that sauce,
It's good.
that dressing, tastes good. Take my time.
When you make a sandwich, I'm going to put it on there.
Everything just right.
Perfect.
Yeah, we like it. Decent.
I showed him how I burned the curry and everything.
Okay.
Because he wasn't here. Like I said, he was at work. So,
You did a lot.
it was a lot. It's hard to work the camera
Me alone.
by myself, but those kids were sleeping.
Sure did good. I got the boy now.
Yep. Big Sunday dinner. What do you mean?
Big goat.
Big curry goat. Mutton.
Big up yourself.
These plantains weren't that sweet today, but it was okay because I just bought them today.
It's good.
Well, Tuesday is good. But the ones that you made was really sweet.
Okay.
I like when it's
because
really
they sit
sweet.
that long and until they get ripe.
Yeah.
So I made them well right. So those are good though.
That's when it's right. The one Vincent better eat his plantains because last time he told me he wanted plantains and we made him some and he sat there and he never ate it.
You know, someone gonna eat them.
Exactly.
Only if you get taste the goat. Go. What did I goat make?
Be quiet.
Serve him. I'm really young. Wow. Wow.
What is good?
That's a nice one. That's a nice like the food.
I couldn't believe it. As soon as he walked through the door, I want to eat now. I don't know.
I'm right.
Richie.
And look how long you have me sitting down. What time now? 5 o'clock to hell. Look how long I come home.
Whatever.
She never want to give me the gold family. No, but it worked out.
So you gonna sit here and lie to the people then?
But may eat some now. Right?
Yep.
Alright. Yeah.
It's gonna be crazy.
Well, the video.
The video on Wednesday.
Don't worry.
You guys don't want to miss that video. Oh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And click that notification bell.
You don't want to miss that.
You want to subscribe.
That's going to be a banger.
If I was you, I would subscribe quick. So you don't miss that on Wednesday. Because I don't know how I'm going to deal with it, but I'm going to get through it.
You're going to get there. You're going to deal with it.
I'm going to get through it.
We're going to get to it. Both of us.
Wow, I'm burping today.
Food nice, man. Food nice on your belch. Good food.
Lost the bone.
What?
Put food in the bone.
Yeah. Bone.
Ooh. When I went to the store, I got more scotch bonnet pepper.
I've seen the fridge full of them. I got the damn fridge can lock.
We love pepper. And when I see them, I buy a whole bag of them and I freeze them. So that we always have pepper.
When I went there, I said, yo, goddamn, the fridge can't lock. I know she got more. Nice, you want to bite out the bone, you know?
Now, curry goat is the same as oxtail. You don't come here and leave meat on the bone. Not big oxtail.
Big oxtail, big curry goat from there.
Same thing.
Damn.
Oh, this is a good bone right here. It's a big fat bone.
Makes you want to slap the person that make it.
Yeah.
Nah, slap you. Trust me, nah, slap you, man. Nah, it's the first day. Wow.
You look at it.
Look at your love, look. Yeah! It was worth it. Good thing I waited. If I'd have waited any longer,
Dude, I couldn't eat if I wasn't hungry.
I would have passed out.
I have to eat when I'm hungry.
My belly's your belly.
No. If your belly was my belly, I weigh 600 pounds.
Yeah.
I weigh union. I was on that 600-pound live show.
You want to wait like you work out.
Oh, oops.
What? 600 pounds, you can't weigh so much phone, man.
Honey, would you still love me
I put
if I weigh 600 pounds?
I give you some blood that exercises your farm.
What's up? First of all, my auntie.
I'd make you run till you can't run no more.
First of all, that wouldn't work because my auntie would have been acting crazy. Should have got on my case quick. That lady crazy. Yes, I'm full. Guys, I am full. I don't know what happened today. On the weekends it's hard because the kids be like, oh, we want breakfast, we want French toast, we want pancake, we want porridge. So we want waffles. So when I make it,
you make it in Yami.
when I make, of course.
That's why you're full. So I'm not here to get on this, so I gotta make sure I make it up with this.
But you came home early today, so I thought I would have time to get hungry. But I was hungry when I ate, but I'm full now. I'm not gonna stuff myself.
No man, don't worry, me take care.
I see.
Good curry goat, man.
And this is called gunga peas. That's how it looks. That's gunga peas. For you guys who don't know, I don't think I mentioned it in the video, but I made gunga peas.
Good, sell her first lady. Nah, lie. Trust me, I'm gonna buy this from you. Good, sell off, man.
I can't do this guy.
Sell off.
If anybody come here to this channel wondering if he's gonna eat up his food, they'll be shocked.
You got more than that? I'm good with the food, man.
See, he's the same size as when we met. And this is how he eats.
135 solid. Sometimes 140 when we eat this. Solid 135. Now they're gonna give me 5 pounds. They're gonna put on me right now. And I'm walking off tomorrow at work. Back to 135 again.
Alright, stop showing off, okay? Whatever.
Don't worry, you're 135 too over.
I know freaking 135. This is too much ass to be 135.
Beer butty.
Beer butted.
Beer junk in a chunk.
Beer junk in a chunk. What my auntie say?
Needs herself patty with a fat butty. Yeah. That was delicious.
Thank you, honey.
It was worth it. It was worth the wait.
Let it simmer.
Make it simmer. Watch out, find a piece of meat in my bowl. Go feed. Let me grab a bowl.
In the gravy?
See? He's trying to hide. I got him. Mm-hmm.
Okay, you know when the gravy comes
on top. You know what time it is.
Done, right?
Done.
Your routine, I tell you, boy.
You done before me, though?
I was full. I'm always full before you.
You eat enough, though. Yes.
All right, guys.
Made it to another video now, stuff in our face.
I hope you like this video of us eating some curry goat, an authentic Jamaican dish. Because we are Jamaican, so that's what we eat. And whatever we like to eat, we're going to show you what we like to eat. Oh, we gotta look for before. I'm watching something else. Alright guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great Sunday, or the rest of your Sunday, and we will see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, the next one.
The next one. Okay guys. Bye.
She remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even